If WhatsApp calls are not showing on the POCO F7, here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. So the first thing that we're going to do is open settings. We're going to go to apps in settings, and over here search for WhatsApp. There we go. Let's open it. Over here we're going to go to app permissions, and we need to grant certain permissions for WhatsApp so that we can see those incoming calls. So of course we have notifications. Most likely you want to grant for example, lock screen notifications, you want to make sure that it is granted. Permanent notifications as well. Essentially, just make sure that these notifications are enabled. Then we also have call logs, which we can allow. We can also allow the camera, although it's not really that important right now. But you can make sure that camera is allowed. There we go. We can, of course, grant permission to contacts. And everything else that is quite important, which is also the microphone. Perhaps music and audio as well. Phone, of course, phone is definitely the most important one, I think. Photos and videos, perhaps, but that is not really related to calling itself. So, yeah. So I think these ones, I'm just gonna also grant the permission for microphone as well. Maybe messaging as well, too. Yeah. So I believe these notifications should be allowed for WhatsApp. You can also include these ones below over here as well if you want to, but I think these are the most important ones. Now besides that, what you can also do is go back to settings. Over here we're gonna open notifications and status bar. There we go. Then we're gonna go to lock screen, and we need to make sure that first of all format is set to at least show notifications. We can hide the content of course, but we want to show notifications. And over here, we need to make sure that WhatsApp is permitted to display notifications in the lock screen, which is something that we already checked, but we can double check over here. And this is pretty much everything that we can do in order to try to solve issues with WhatsApp. Actually, there's one more thing that I just came up with. More precisely, we're going to go back to apps. Let's reopen WhatsApp. There we go. And what you can also do is you can clear data. In my case, I don't have any data. But what you can do is simply clear data, at least clear cache of WhatsApp. If you decide to clear data, you will be logged out, so you have to be aware of that, that most likely you will be logged out, so you will have to log into your account again. But this can also be quite helpful in some specific cases. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.